Hey everyone, this is Anthony from the Performers Among Us, and today we're going to be breaking down a pop toss. A pop toss is going to be your next toss right after a pull hit, which, if you cannot do, go check out our video on it and then come back to this tutorial after you can do a pull hit. Alright, let's get started. So we are going to go ahead and start in a right slam. And a right slam, our left hand is at the second tape, and our right hand is at the tab. And we will be making a 45-degree angle with our flag across our torso. And make sure you are boxed out so that your elbows are not touching your torso. We will count off on 5, squeeze on count 6, and then do a small cone on count 7 and 8. Count 7 will be in front of you, and count 8 will be a pass-through count where we pass through the slam checkpoint we started at. Then, from count 8, we'll push our right hand straight up to our release point above our head. Make sure that you're trying to push your hand straight up. This will ensure that your flag will go straight up and then come straight back down. Meanwhile, we'll put our left hand straight down, opposing the motion of our right hand, causing the flag to rotate to the release point on count 1. So go ahead and pause the video and practice going to your release point a few times. Counting off 5, squeeze 6, move 7 and 8, then move to your release point on count 1. Try that a few more times, then come back to the video. Welcome back. Let's go ahead and put all this information together and try this toss out. We'll start in our right slam, counting off 5, squeezing on count 6, moving through 7 and 8, and setting the flag up and out on count 1. Make sure that you're starting to practice this toss at a slower tempo and then working your way up. This will help you gain control and understanding of the pathway of the flags, understanding that little carve you do at the bottom, and how to send it straight up. Make sure to get the most out of your time practicing by recording and watching yourself to make sure that you are matching the example in the video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed the breakdown, leave a like and subscribe for more in the future. Have a great day and keep on performing.